Morning brewers, back again with another Brewday vid. Today we're doing a Koelsch recipe, David Heath recipe actually, did it about 3 months ago. Came out absolutely fantastic, first lager type of ale I've done, and came out lovely, so doing another one. Shio must be obeyed as insisting, so we're doing it. So yeah, it's just up to mash temp, just come out, it's just after 6:30 in the morning, Sunday morning. So that's the scene that greets me, lovely hot kettle, right to temp, and these are the levers set out I'll be working to initially. That's them two there like that, and that one in the 25 past position roughly. When I start off recircuiting, I'm basically going to have it kind of like that for the first 20 minutes of the mash rest. Sorry about the finger. So yeah, just going to get doughed in and put it on recipe mode, get doughed in and make a start. So get back in. Hey brewers, just going to see if I can get a little bit of footage of the actual mashing. I've already got a couple of shovelfuls in, and take into account shovelfuls, cupfuls, whatever these bloody things are called, jugs. So yeah, quite difficult doing it with one hand, to be fair. Try not to tip it down the side. Right, I'll just get this finished and get back to you in a bit. Hey brewers, back again. Just started the mash. It's 60 minutes, 60 minute mash, 10-minute mash out. Started a second a minute or two ago. So, as I said before, levers on that side like that. And that's round about the 25 past the hour position. It's slightly new if you've been watching the last couple of vids. Yeah, so that's the wort at the moment. I'll take another vid later. That'll be gin clear, and you can actually see recirc going on as well in the kettle. That's basically due to that lever being in the 25 past the hour, and the pump's on quite a lot higher than normal. In previous brew days I've had that lever in the 20 past the hour position and the pump on about 30-35%, but what you don't get that continual volume of wort spinning round, and helps keep the temperature even in the kettle, in the mash tun. So yeah, that's apparently the theory behind it. So seems to work well. Got very good efficiencies on the last brew with using this method. That was the first time I've used it, so it's in the bag of tricks from now on. So there we go. Right, I'll stop waffling. Right guys and gals, brewers, we're got about 30 minutes left of the first mash, first step. You can see how it's cascading through, whipping round well as well. Look how clear that water is. You'd think that was water, wouldn't you? Dear, dear. A few different angles. Yeah, the levels in the malt pipe have been exceptional this brew day. Literally hard to tell, but half an inch max. But yeah, this technique with having the pump on higher and that in the 20-25 past position, that right hand side lever definitely works. You can see it how it's cascading through the grist bed there, through the malt pipe, sorry. Yeah, it's all good. So I'll stop waffling again and get back to you in a bit. Hey brewers, just ramping up to the mash out phase now. Stopped a minute or two ago. So yeah, this is where we are. A bit foamy there, but look how clear that water is. Goodness gracious, I think that's fantastic. Still spinning around a little bit, going quite nicely. A little bit frothy in there, but yeah, really ridiculously smooth brew day. So yeah, not far off sparging now, so I will stop waffling. Just let you see that. Fantastic. I've had the pump up a little bit higher the last, well, not the pump, sorry, I've put that lever more in the 20 past the hour position, so you get more throughput of a wort. Just the levels have gone up in the malt pipe a little bit. It's probably about an inch and a half difference now, something like that. But yeah, very smooth brew day again. So yeah, I'll get back to you shortly. Cheers. The brewers back again. I've got just about not far off transferring it into the fermenter. It's about another minute or so. We'll probably let it go down to 20, well, probably 19 for the start. Transferring it. Firm temp is 17 on this brew. We ended up with about 26 and a half, 27 litres in the kettle after the boiled off, just 4 and a bit, 4.2, something like that. So yeah, everything's gone ridiculously easy today. Absolutely nothing whatsoever to moan about. So yeah, I'll perhaps do another one when I get the wort in the fermenting vessel. Cheers. Hey brewers, there we are. That's the bottom of the depths of the bottom of the kettle. Cone nicely in the middle. You see we got 23 and a half, I'd say, something like that, litres. So just start the clean. I'll put the lid on as soon as I finish this, and wrap it all up, give it a good swill out, and probably brewing again in 10 days or something like that. No idea what yet, but the recipe will take me, I no doubt. So right, if you like the content, you can like and subscribe if you want. If not, then don't. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching to the end. All the best. Take care. Stay safe. Bye. Absolute last one. This one. That's the scene. Remember, just a few seconds ago, when it rolled over, the state of it. That's literally just water and swilled off. 5 minutes. You can see that's what's in there. I'm going to tip that, and then get the hot water that's come out when I was cooling the wort down. So yeah, don't tend to waste as little as I can, but there you go. We all waste some water, don't we? There we are, all done. Cheers. See you on the next one. Bye.